Well, since I'm here anyway, I will, so, I'll do, this probably might be one of the last times to doing these snow stuff around the Murray River area, so while I'm here, I will, oh, there's a curve there. I'm in a truck. Just got too sharp there, avoiding that car train. Yeah, while I'm here, I'll do a little bit of the Murray River back tour up the road where the big pond is. Shouldn't add too much time to it. Might be a normal length video then. So what is this road? Riverside Drive, of course. There's a good system for roads, though. Riverside Drive is always near the water. Oh, this is no ice back here. There's no marks on this road at all. And yeah, that is ice outside. It turned from snow to ice pellets, freezing rain. Let's keep the speed up here. I'm away from making noise now. Yeah, I think this is a good timing to do this. Probably the last time I'll be able to get a video of this this year in the winter. Because this isn't a really good time to be driving on the road. There's no problem, I'm used to it, but I don't know what the other cars are going to do. Oh, going out of focus, eh? Yeah, I think all the snow might be messing up the focus. And this is just such a picturesque scene always when you come down here, because the small bridge, the pond, the old barn has its own unique look. Oh, I'm going to have to turn the wipers on more, even though it's going to be noisy. So I'm going to find the rate that works. Oh, I see some walking marks. Somebody might be walking here. Number feet. Oh, I was wondering what that was. The plow can't fit on that bridge, apparently. Well, that makes awkward for plowing, I guess. You know, if anyone's got these skates, they should come here and demo this. Yeah, because you can skate this whole road. I don't know, I think this is a unique area for Prince Edward Island. That's why I like hopping in here sometimes. In the summer it's nice too, you can stop in. The wipers aren't making the greatest video, but nothing I can do. Yeah, so it's going out of focus a little too much there for my liking. Yeah, some stuff's hard to film. Okay. Just want to turn around here and go back the other way. Then I'll go to the little road that's in the woods and go to the little mall that's there. Wow. There's a nicey road. Oh, geez. Bring it back in this turn. I also don't want to be driving. I probably won't be driving that much this year because of, I mean, the price of fuel is just, you know, it's up at least 50% from what we would expect. Yeah, I guess I gotta keep the wipers going that much to keep the camera in focus. So, wait a minute. because on the highway the wind keeps quite a bit of the stuff off the window. So. I can see somebody coming. Saw a couple of headlights somewhere. Somebody blowing snow. Is there a headlight on a snow? Whoa! Something like that. It slightly went a little to the left in the front wheels. Let's see if we finally meet somebody in here. I really rarely come through here, but I'm always expecting to meet someone. Look at that, that's single car track. Looks like some foot tracks. There's a few people on snowmobiles came from Murray River and went to that fuel station I was at that I left there earlier. If anyone lives around here might end up watching the video. I don't know if a lot of people watch YouTube in the communities on PEI, really. I'm doing them a little different, though. I'm driving around with a basically raw look at the places, so it's kind of different. It's not a place to pull out of when the road's ice. A place to pull in, I almost can't tell. Well, I added on some Murray River, so this should be in the end of the Murray Harbor to Murray River Drive, and this will probably clear up my the last of the Murray River area, or these area videos with snow, since it's like March the 6th, but you never know. Usually, mostly snows till like March the 20th. But this will probably be the most last snow. So anyway, see you next time.